Alright, so today we've arrived at the Sven Nys Cycling Center. Alright, today we've arrived at the Sven Nys Cycling Center. This is a very famous cyclocross rider in Belgium. He has been world champion and whatnot, and he now has a training facility right here, not that far from my door. So I just wanted to check it out and give it a test run with the OneWheel, because this place looks awesome. Get some protection because I don't know the terrain here, and when I'm trying new stuff and experimenting, I always buckle up. Oh, touches! Let's protect the touches. Ooh, better safe than sorry, I would say. The first feature that I noticed is a pump track that is available here, so let's cruise the pump track and see how that feels. Surfing, dude! This place looks like a one-wheel paradise, man. I don't even know where to look first or where to go first. So let's just cruise around the terrain, see what's there, and see what's shreddable. Already getting stoked right now. Where to start, man? There's so many places to begin, you don't even know where. So let's start here. If you're gonna go down, always pick a line first. Be safe. Ooh, yo. Technical stuff. Live. Do we stay on the board or not? Blue sand around here, watch out with that, it's be slippery. Going uphill. Phew, tech stuff is intense. What was this? Tech stuff. More tech stuff. Whoa, downhill. Look what I've got here. Looks like some jump ramps. Let's check it out. They're very good jump ramps for mountain biking, but with the one wheel, this landing is a bit too deep and too steep for my cup of tea. So I'll leave it at that one for the jumps here, but maybe someday, who knows? Let's take Forest, run! Run, Forest! Run! Vinie here.
I'm slittered and slam and whoop, love it. Oh, I'm sweating my ass off.
This is such a good workout without even feeling you're working out, so love it.